Brittany Powers. Let's talk about cyberbullying so we can bring it out of the shadows. Cyberbullying is any form of bullying that happens with technology. The purpose is to humiliate. Phoebe Prince was a victim of suicide by bullying. The target is young people, those with disabilities. It could be anyone, you, your little brother, sister, or neighbor. Cyberbullying can lower self-esteem, cause social anxiety, depression, suicidal thoughts, suicide, and loss of sleep. If you see something, say something. Keep the evidence and team up with an adult. Check on the person being bullied. You have a light to shine. The difference you could make could save a life. Thanks for listening.